In this video, we are decorating for the week of Halloween with these adorable stickers from AnnaRaeDesignStore. Hello, I'm Katie. Welcome to the Planner channel. Subscribe to watch new planning videos every week. I like to use a 5-step decorative process to keep me on track with my decorating, and step 1 is to choose a theme. So we have the theme of Vampy Violet from AnnaRae, which is this adorable Halloween theme in these really pretty purple and orange colors. So cute, so cute. I'm so excited to use these this week. So that's our theme. Step 2 is washi tape. So I picked out a couple of washi tapes. I had these 2 Halloween ones, and then I also had this like purple and pink ombre star washi, which I think is gonna look really good. So we have 3 washi tapes to figure out where to put them on the page. All right, I'm gonna start with the spider webs across the bottom because this washi fits this space perfectly, and it's black and it's spider webs. So that's Halloween. Okay, we have spider webs across the bottom. I want to put the little orange bats up here under October, if that will fit. Then I think I'll add the other washi last after I've had a chance to put down some of the decorative stickers in boxes, because I want to make, this is going to be a very decorative spread. Step 3 is box stickers, and we have some really cute ones. I love this, need some O positivity. That's hilarious. So I'll probably put like 2 boxes on this page and 2 boxes on this page. I love these pumpkins. They're so cute. We may add some more of these boxes later, but I want to make sure there's plenty of room for decorative stickers. Next up is checklists and bullet points, and since this kit comes with checklists, I'm going to use those this time. But I also love to use shapes for bullet points, so like these blood drops, hearts, stars, any of that stuff would be really good for bullet points. There's these stars too. All right, I like to put the checklist kind of in between the 2 days like this, so I can use that one checklist for 2 days. And I like to leave at least one space open for writing on every day. So since I have orange on that page, I'm going to put orange on this page. And since we have that color on that page, let's put that one on this page. And let's see, one of the purples. Let's use the dark one, like the dark, maybe the dark one and the light one. Yay, decorative stickers. This is my favorite part. So I purchased the sidebar sticker along with the kit. You can get that extra, like separately. That matches your kit, and it's made to fit right over here on the side. So let's place that, and that means we'll have a little bit of room for some washi tape too, either above or below. Let's put it, oops, oh no, I want to put it like that. Next, I want to use these spider web spider stickers to put at the top of the page like this. Happy Halloween! Leave a comment and tell me what your costume will be this year for Halloween. Then let's grab our Vampy Violet. Ooh, I like both of those. They're so cute. But this one with the little martini is, gotta go with this one. Let's put her over here on Halloween. either up here or down here. Maybe down here just because I want to have some space to write there and I don't want it to overlap into my writing space. So maybe right here. All right, I love these little candles. Those are so cute. Let's put them, I kind of want to stack them on top of a sticker, like a box sticker, so it looks like they're sitting there. I love those candles, those are cute. I love these little bottles of potion. I think that's what I'm gonna decorate this side over here with. Yeah, like that. Let's add a little more washi tape. I'm gonna fill this space with the orange washi bats. And then last week I did this in another spread with the wrong stickers. I like to use like another little piece of washi tape. You can put it around your box stickers, kind of like a frame. So I'm gonna do that with this ombre washi. I just wanted to pull off that pink and get some of this purplish ombre. And it just looks really cool with the box stickers. All right, I want to put some of these stars at the top of the page in between the dates. I just think they'll look cool up there. I wanted to take a dark purple marker and like just extend out the spider web so it looks like it's hanging from my pages here. All right, I want to add these little sparkles over here by the potions, almost like they're bubbling. I'm gonna trim this one because I just want the two little sparkles. Like that. Okay, we have tons of cute stickers and plenty of room to still write on our page this week. So let's see how it looks on the discs. I want to add one more thing. I want to add one of these empty boxes to write in along with a banner to go with it. I think I want this stuff to do in this box, something like that, over here on Sunday in this space. As always, descriptions of the products used in this video will be in the description box. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button and I will see you in the next one. Bye!